In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force delete a file on Windows 11. If you've ever tried to delete a file and Windows says it's in use, it usually means an app or background process is holding onto it. The safest way to force a deletion is to first close whatever is using the file, then remove it permanently. Before we start, a quick reminder. Force deleting will skip the recycle bin, so make sure you truly don't need the file. Begin by opening Task Manager. The quickest way is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, expand it so you can see all running apps and processes. You'll use this to identify the program that's currently using the file you want to delete. Next, find the app that might be locking the file. Think about what opened it most recently. Maybe a media player, a document editor, a compression tool, or even File Explorer showing a preview. In Task Manager, look under the Apps section and, if needed, use the search box at the top to type part of the app's name. Once you've located it, get ready to close it from here. Now, right-click the app and click End Task. This forces the app to close immediately, which releases the file from use. Be aware that ending a task can cause unsaved work in that app to be lost, so only end what you're sure you don't need open. If you see multiple instances of the same app, end the one that's active with your file, or close all instances if you're not certain which one is holding it. With the app closed, head back to File Explorer and try the deletion. To bypass the recycle bin and remove the file permanently, select the file and press Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Windows will show a confirmation dialog, letting you know this action will permanently delete the file. Review the file name carefully to confirm it's the one you want gone, then choose Yes to proceed. If you're prompted for administrator permission, approve it to continue. If the file still won't delete, it may still be in use by a background component of the same app. Return to Task Manager and repeat the search to ensure everything related is closed, then try Shift plus Delete again. Also confirm that the file isn't open in another window or preview pane. That's it. Open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus S key. Find the app using the file, right-click and end task, then permanently remove the file with Shift plus Delete. Use this method carefully, and you'll be able to clean up stubborn files on Windows 11 with confidence.